Good morning, KG1. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Let's start our math lesson. Bring a paper and a pencil. Be ready. First, we are going to count together. Let's count. Are you ready to count with the teacher? What is the first number? The first number is number 1. This is the number 1. How many apples you can see? One red apple. One red apple. KG1, what comes after number 1? What comes after number 1? Exactly. 2. What comes after 1? 2. 1, 2. 2 blue cars. 2 blue cars. What comes after 2? 1, 2, 3. This is the number 3. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 golden stars. 3 golden stars. Huh? Clever boys and girls. What comes after number 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comes after 3. This is number 4. This is number 4. Let's count together. KG1, I would like to remind you that we start counting from our left hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 monkeys. 4 monkeys. KG1, what comes after number 4? Let's start from the beginning to remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number 5. Let's count together. Remember, counting starts from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 footballs. KG1, we have 5 fingers. In one hand, we have 5 fingers. 5. What comes after 5? If you don't remember, let's start counting from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is number 6. Let's count together. We're going to start from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red strawberries. 6 red strawberries. What comes after 6? What comes after 6? 7. 7 days in the week. We have 7 days in 1 week. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blue flowers. 7 blue flowers. What comes after number 7? 8. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 teddy bears. What comes after 8? Exactly. 9. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 kites. 9 kites. What comes after number 9? 10. If you open your hands, you can see 10 fingers. Open your hands. 10 fingers. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 yellow balloons. 10 yellow balloons. My children, we have finished counting. Now we are going to circle the bigger number. We are going to circle the bigger number. Teacher, how can we know the bigger number? You can use your fingers or your coloring pencils, your sweets, anything to count and to see which number is bigger. Let's try using our hands. On one hand, open 4 fingers. On the other hand, open 2 fingers. Look at your hands. Which hand has more fingers? 4 or 2? Which number is bigger? Of course, 4 is bigger than 2. Circle number 4. Now, open 1 finger on one hand and 3 fingers on the other hand. Which one is bigger? Which hand has more fingers? The hand with 1 or the hand with 3? Excellent. 3 is bigger. Let's circle number 3. Now, open 2 fingers on one hand and 5 fingers on the other hand. Which hand has more fingers? 5. Exactly. 5 is bigger than 2. Circle the number 5. Now, this is your turn. Do it by yourselves. Circle the bigger number. I'm not going to help you. Which number is bigger? 3 or 1? 2 or 5? 4 or 2? I know that you are all clever. KG1, do you remember shapes? Yes. The first one, the green one, we call it a circle. It's a green circle. Now, look at line number 2. I want you to think which object has the same shape as the circle. Excellent. The football. Clever. The football is round like the circle. Now, let's see what comes after the circle. Yeah, it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. It's a yellow rectangle. Do you remember KG1? Rectangle has two short sides and two long sides. Which object from line number 2 has the same shape as rectangle? Mm, clever. The door. Then comes the triangle. It's a red triangle. It's a red triangle. Look at line number 2. Which object match that triangle shape? Clever. The pyramid. The last shape is the square. It's a purple square. It's a purple square. Which object matches the square shape? Hmm, the clock. Clever. Here, we are going to write the missing number. Be ready. The train is moving. What is the first number? Yeah, it's here. Number 1. What comes after 1? Clever. 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4. And what comes after 4? 5. This is your turn. You're going to do this by yourselves. Write the missing number. Some numbers are here and some numbers are missing. You are going to finish by yourselves, clever boys and girls. Then go to the second one. We are going to count and write the number. How many strawberries can you see? 1, 2, 3. Write number 3 in the box. Each line you are going to count and write the number in the box. How many strawberries? Count. My children, I know that you are all clever. Here, we are going to count, then match. Count how many objects, then match it to the right number on the other side. How many ice creams? Remember, we start counting from left to the right. 1, 2. Where is number 2? How many footballs? Excellent. 1. Match to number 1. How many stars? Count from up, from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 stars. And how many flowers? We finish the first line, then go to the second line. Let's start from the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 flowers. Now, match between the objects and the number 4. Match between the flowers and number 4. The last picture, we can see teddy bears. How many teddies? 1, 2, 3. Where is number 3? Go and match. My dear children, I hope you have enjoyed our lesson for today. Study. See you tomorrow at school. Goodbye.